Well, I feel like the first thing people see about you is your clothing, you know, and your personal style. It was always important to me. Like, it started off with Jordans, and you know, Chicago was just obviously the home of Jordan, so it's like that was everything. My favorite Jordan was always the black Jordan 5s. And you know, I was always into rock music as well. That was the first music that I really identified with and connected with. Vivian Westwood and Malcolm McLaren, that whole world right there, that's like, you know, those are the style gods to me. The name 93 Punks is lifted from an old Chicago punk gang called 77 Punks. I've just picked up different plugs on, you know, on the actual jackets and just getting like really good blanks, vintage leathers. And different people that have warehouses full of patches and shit. So, you know, I'll go and just sit there for a few hours and just, you know, rifle through and find cool shit. I made this for Post Malone. I've made a lot of like custom joints for different people. I made one of these not for sale jackets for Hove. I like to take these pieces that have had a life and then, you know, give them new experiences and give them a whole new existence. So it's like this one. It's got all these blood stains on it from this wild fucking fight I got into in the club. I'm not on that no more, but cool story, bro. There was this girl, I was like trying to really impress her on her birthday. It's like I had been in Tokyo and I bought her like this clear G-Shock she had been talking about, and then I went on Grailed and I got like this signed Murakami toy, like a plush toy. I thought that was super dope to be able to get like a signed Murakami, you know? While I was in Tokyo, I'm like, I couldn't even get nothing there, I mean, but I was able to get it on Grailed. Then I just started, you know, wish listing and clicking through shit. Remember this, you know, Public Enemy Doc Martin that you wanted? Like, here, you could get it on Grailed. Grailed is dope because it's like, it gives me an opportunity for the specific pieces that it's like I've been trying to get my hands on that you could just go grab. Like it used to be, you know, we used to do a lot trying to trade shoes to end up with the thing we needed. I used to strong arm motherfuckers into trading me shit. How I got them 99 Jordan 5s, I'm like, you gonna bring those to school today, right? Cause I'm trading you these bitches. Like, this is how it's going down. Now we don't have to do that. We could just buy it on Grailed. Yo, what up? This Vic Mensa. Buy my shit only on Grailed. Yo, what's happening? This Vic Mensa. I'm selling all my personal shit on Grailed. Cop that. Gang.